Dear students, in this video we will deal with the colligative properties, and the first colligative property here we will deal is relative lowering of vapor pressure. Vapor pressure, relative lowering of vapor pressure according to Raoult's law. We have already studied that P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to mole fraction of the solute. और क्योंकि मोल फ्रैक्शन जो है वो नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्यूट पे डिपेंड करता है डिजॉल्व इन नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, देयरफॉर इट इज़ अ कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी. क्योंकि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था पहले वीडियो में कि कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टीज वो होती हैं जो सॉल्यूट पार्टिकल्स के नंबर ऑफ मोल्स पे डिपेंड करती हैं डिजॉल्व इन अ डेफिनेट अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट. और क्योंकि मोल फ्रैक्शन भी नंबर ऑफ मोल्स रिप्रेजेंट करता है डिजॉल्व इन डेफिनेट अमाउंट ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, तो ये एक रिलेटिव लोअरिंग ऑफ वेपर प्रेशर एक कॉलिगेटिव प्रॉपर्टी है. Now let's see, mole fraction can be written as number of moles of solute divided by total number of moles, where n is the number of moles of solute and capital N is the number of moles of solvent. तो इसको हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं क्योंकि मोल फ्रैक्शन सॉल्यूट का जो है वो proportional होता है relative lowering of air pressure. So this expression can be written like this as well. Now we will replace number of moles of solute is equal to weight of solute divided by molar mass, and weight of solvent divided by molar mass of the solvent is equal to capital N. Now substituting these values you will get this expression. अगर solution बहुत dilute है तो number of moles of solute बहुत कम होंगे as compared to that of solvent. It means that N plus capital N will be approximately equal to capital N only. क्योंकि अगर 2 moles solute है, मान लीजिए 100 moles सॉल्वेंट में, तो उसको हम 100 ही मान सकते हैं. So that will be approximately equal to capital N. Now substituting these values again in this equation, you will get P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to small n upon capital N. इसको हमने रिप्लेस कर दिया है कैपिटल N से. अब इसमें फिर वही वैल्यू पुट करेंगे आप, वेट ऑफ सॉल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय मोलर मास ऑफ सॉल्यूट, weight of solvent divided by molar mass of the solvent. So in turn you will get this expression that P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to weight of solute into molar mass of solvent divided by weight of solvent into molar mass of solute. Now the students will solve two numericals related to the relative lowering of air pressure. So here is the first question. The vapor pressure of water at 298 K is 23.75 mmHg. Calculate the vapor pressure at the same temperature over 5% aqueous solution of urea. Again you have been given the percentage composition of urea solution. So if we consider 5 gram of urea, then the weight of the solution is 100 gram, and weight of solvent you can find by subtracting 5 from 100, that is 95 gram. So small w is 5 gram, capital W is 95 gram. P naught, that is the vapor pressure of the water in pure state, is 23.75 gram. Molar mass of water is 18 and molar mass of solute is 60 gram, and you have to find the vapor pressure at the same temperature over the aqueous solution of urea. That means we have to find the P. So we'll write here, according to Raoult's law, the expression we have read is P naught minus P upon P naught is equal to number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of solute divided by total number of moles, that is mass of solute, number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. So let's substitute the values. P naught is equal to 23.75 minus P, that you have to find it out, divided by 23.75. Number of moles of solute will be equal to the weight of the solute, that is 5, divided by molar mass, that is 60. Again 5 by 60, that is the number of moles of solute, plus number of moles of solvent is again weight of solvent, 95, divided by 18. So this expression will give you 0.016. Now on further calculation you will get the P as 23.37 mmHg. So this is the vapor pressure of the given solution at 298 K. Next question is, the vapor pressure of pure benzene at a certain temperature is 200 mmHg. At the same temperature, vapor pressure of a solution containing 2 gram of non-volatile, non-electrolytic solute is 78 gram. Benzene is 195 mmHg. What is the molecular weight of the solid? So here P naught is given 200 mm, that is here. P is also given, that is 195 mm. The weight of the solute is given 2 gram and weight of solvent is very large, that is 78 gram. Molar mass of solvent is 78 gram, that is benzene, and you have to find the molar mass of the solute. So again, according to the Raoult's law, we write the formula as P naught minus P divided by P naught is equal to, now because here the solution is very dilute, you can say, because number of moles of solute is very less. So here we will replace, as I have told you further, that previously, that weight of solute divided by molar mass of solvent upon weight of solvent into molar mass of solute. We have omitted the number of moles of solute in the solution because it is very less. Now we'll substitute the values. 200 minus 195 divided by 200 equal to 2 into 78 divided by 78 is the weight of the solvent into molar mass of solute. You have to find out, that is m dash, you have to find it out. So here we'll get 5 upon 200 is equal to 2 upon m dash, this will cancel it out, and m dash will be equal to 2 into 200, cross multiply it and divided by 5. So you will get here 40, that is equal to 80. So the molar mass or molecular mass of the solute here is 80.